My name's Buck McGrew Welding and Fabricating. We've been in business since 1978, family-owned business. So we've been doing conveyors, bin feeders, structural steel, anything to do with the mining industry. We'll try anything once. The thing you're looking at right now, it's an 8x16, 36-inch belt bin feeder. This runs about 300 feet per minute, and it'll move about 800 ton an hour. And it dumps onto a radial stacker from either pile material up in their yard or to feed their plant with. And we run the WorldWide 625 gearboxes with a 30 horsepower motor. We've had a lot of luck with them. It's a nice package. As you can see, it looks good. Only thing we do is bolt it on and it's ready to go. It's been at least 20 years we've been using WorldWide. To make a long story short, we found out that the quality was excellent with them. The price was real competitive, so I was able to sell more conveyors. My theory is I'd rather sell 100 than 10 conveyors. I'd rather sell 100 of them, and WorldWide's helped me. They've stood behind everything they've sold me. They're salesmen. Anytime I had a problem, they've called. I call them, they take care of it promptly, and the service is unbelievable. Stock, I'd call one day, and next day I got the gearbox. So that's helped us grow our business.